Yeah. In this session, we shall discuss about one more problem on absorption, similar to previous problem. In the previous problem, we had calculated purchase consideration on net asset method. One company purchased other company. In this problem, also you are asked to prepare, calculate purchase consideration only for BCom, maybe a 6 mark question, and for BBA we were asked for 4 marks this year, and so earlier 8 marks. Let me read the problem. Sun Limited absorbed the business of Moon Limited. So Moon Limited sold its business to Sun Limited. Absorbed. Sun Limited absorbed Moon Limited. As a going concern on 31st March 19, assets and liabilities of Moon Limited on that day are as follows. Paid up capital 30,000 equity shares of 10 each 3 lakh, 1,000 preference shares of 100 each 1 lakh. Sundry creditors 30,000, bills payable 50,000. Their side, goodwill 50,000, land 2 lakh, plant 1 lakh, sundry debtors 50,000, stock 30,000, bank 35,000. Preliminary expense 5,000, profit loss account 10,000. Highlighted in green, it is fictitious asset, and preference share is addition thing here. The terms agreed between two companies were as follows. For every 10 equity shares of Moon Limited, Sun Limited issued 12 fully paid shares of 10 each and paid rupee 10 in cash. Preference shareholders of Moon Limited was paid at a premium of 5% by the issue of 6% preference shares of Sun Limited at par. New shares at par, paid at 5%. You see, 1 lakh at 5, 1 lakh 5,000 payment. All assets and liabilities were taken over except cash to the extent of 3,000, which was left for meeting realization expense. Total cash, a bank balance 35, of which 3,000 you have to retain, that is to bear the expense. You had such problem in the previous amalgamation topic also. Plant was revalued at 1,83,000. Other assets and liabilities taken over at respective book values. Calculate purchase consideration. You see, under all three cases, amalgamation, absorption, addition, reconstruction, first when you get a problem, you have to go through whether payment method can be followed. Payment means total payment made to the shareholders of selling company. Here, Moon Limited is a selling company, transferor company. Sun Limited is a transferee company, and only balance sheet of Moon Limited given. It does not mean that Sun don't have business, and it is not required here to calculate the purchase consideration. And it is the net payment method which you can follow. Net payment method. Net payment method, that payment made by Sun Limited to the preference shareholders as well as equity shareholders of Moon Limited also consider. See, paid to equity shareholders in equity shares. It is said that, see, okay, purple color, every 10 equity shares, for every 10 10 ಶೇರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಈಗ 12 ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಫೇಸ್ ಮುಖ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ 12 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು 30,000 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಇಂದ ಫೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ 30,000 into 12 divided by 10, you get 36,000, 10 rupee face value. So it is 3,60,000. Then in cash, it is said 10 rupee per every shares held. So 10 shares, 30,000 shares into 30, you see there, you have to go through that. For every 10 shares, 10 for every 10 shares, 12 shares and 10 rupees. So it is 30,000 divided by 10. So 3,000 into 10, 30,000 amount. 10 ಶೇರಿಗೆ 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ, 30 ಶೇರಿಗೆ 30,000, ಟೋಟಲ್ 3,90,000. Then paid to preference shareholders said 1 lakh and 5% premium, so 1,05,000. Amount of new preference shares is 1,05,000, and same face value in sense number of shares will be more. Instead of 1,000 it will be 1,050. 1,050 new 6% preference shares. So now to the equity shareholders 3,90,000, to the preference shareholders 1,05,000, total 4,95,000 the purchase consideration amount. And discharge it is given when payment method that itself. So in equity shares 3,60,000, in preference shares 1,05,000, in cash 30,000. This is all about this problem. These two are simple problem which will be asked for lesser mark. Thank you.